How to add items to wishlist on Shein. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Shein app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply scroll down and select the product you want to add to your wish list. After you've selected the product, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on the heart-shaped icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then it will be added to Wishlist. Now, where do you find Wishlist? Simply go back from here and in the shop icon at the bottom left, here you'll find the heart icon at the top right. Click on it, and then you'll find all your wish list. This is how to add items to wishlist on Shein app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.